What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making steak and eggs. Got some amazing ingredients, a simple cook, and don't forget we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. It's going to be a 22-inch griddle. Yeah, at 3,000 subscribers, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be there by next Wednesday. So for next Wednesday's video is when I'll run the contest, and then we'll do the drawing for next weekend's video. So yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when the videos are out. And yeah, let's check out these ingredients real quick and get this cook going. So right here we got a 3/4 pound ribeye steak that's seasoned with kosher salt, a little bit of chipotle chili pepper, and smoked paprika. I put it on there, I kind of smushed it in there a little bit on both sides. And then we got 2 eggs. Right over here, we got some veggies. That's jalapeno, sweet onion, and the whites from scallions. And then we got the greens from scallions right here for the eggs. Got some cilantro. And yeah, that's all we got. Let's just go ahead and get this going. All right, we're gonna get going on this over here. I'm gonna use some of this avocado spray oil. Meat Militia, he uses this stuff and he loves it, so I saw it at the store for the first time and try it out, why not? I'm gonna get going on the veggies first, so let's just get a little bit of that down. Get these veggies down. And let's see what temp we're rolling on here. I wanna get those seeds from that jalapeno. There we go. All right, what temper we got here? So we're at about 335 right here. I got these 2 burners on high. This one is all the way low. This one is off. Because I'm going to be putting stuff over there, and I'm going to cook my eggs over here in the where it's not going to be 400 degrees. All right, let's just turn these up real quick. Spread that oil around. I got these onions cut in mostly pretty decent sized chunks. All right, let's get a little pepper on here. Nice coarse there. A little salt. All right, that's good. Turn them up one more time. There we go. All right. That's gonna cook up just nice. Not worried about these. These are gonna be good no matter what. So I'm just gonna let these go for, I don't know, a couple minutes before I throw the steak on, because I want these to make sure these are good, and then we'll get going on that. All right, so the veggies are looking good. I'm just gonna move them over here. Just get them out of the way. They'll keep warming up over there. What do we got? We're at 400. We're at 200 over here. Let's throw the steak down. Put a little bit more avocado oil. I'm gonna put it right there. And this was a 3/4 pound. So yeah, let's get it on down there. Let it go. Don't touch it. Let it do its thing. Warm that up. I don't need to do the eggs yet, because that's gonna have a few minutes to cook. I probably want to do about 4-ish minutes on each side. We'll see how it looks, and yeah, we'll check it out. All right, so it's been on here for 5 minutes now, so let's give it a flip, see what it looks like. You see that, man? That's got a nice sear on it. You can see the seasonings in there. I just wish it would lay flatter, but all that fat is kind of pushing it up. So let's get these veggies back over here in the mix. Ooh, buddy, look at them. I'm really liking the way this is looking. And actually, what time we got? We're gonna give that side 4 minutes and see how we look. All right, it looks to me like this thing's done. It's been 3.5 minutes actually. I got all my burners off right now. So what I'm gonna do is just take my steak, just Just gonna plop it right down over here on my cutting board. Just clean up a little area. All right. Mess with these one more time. Actually, because I'm gonna cook the eggs over here, so I'm just gonna keep them right here. Get out of here. Man, thick onion. All right. So boom, we're good on that. Get these eggs going. All right. Boom, we're gonna let these things go. So we wanna throw a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning on these eggs. Almost forgot about that. A little bit of that. All right, we wanna throw this green onion, put a little bit of that in there. Want a little bit on each egg. All right, and then we're gonna put a little cilantro on the eggs. Not much. All right. Now we're gonna cover them back up, let them finish cooking, get ready to eat. Actually, let's cut the steak up. So now, I mean, look at that. Look at all that red. Oh, that looks so good. Put a little kosher salt on there. Not much, we already put some on. And let's get these eggs. Look at those. Man, this looks so good. I mean, look at that. Look at all that oozing. Ooh, buddy. Oh, man. Can't wait to dive into this. And I love it when the meat's tender enough to just cut with a fork. All right, let's get a nice chunk of this egg. A nice chunk of that. Let's get some veggies. Mmm. That is delicious. That steak had a real nice color on it. So tender. Mmm. I love it. This is so good. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget, we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. Hit that notification bell. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And see you on the next one. Thanks.